Hello, this video tutorial is about how to write your thesis in LaTeX using templates. If you're doing a PhD, you definitely need to write your thesis in some typesetting software, and LaTeX is easily customizable according to the needs of your thesis. As a research scholar, I prefer using LaTeX because it is quite similar to HTML codes, although they're not really the same, and it has a lot of features. If you're using Windows, you have to download MiKTeX from MiKTeX.org and hit the download button. This is the setup file which you need to open in order to begin installation. After going through the copying conditions for MiKTeX, accept the copying conditions and click on Next. Choose the appropriate option according to your preference and hit the Next button. Select the directory where you'd like to install the software and again hit Next. Since I've already installed it, I will not continue further, but you need to proceed and continue for the installation to take effect. The MiKTeX console comes with a default typesetting software called TeXworks, and this is how it looks like. To the left is where you type everything, and to the right is where you can see your output. So this is how you type. Hello. I'm a research scholar. Next, you have to compile whatever you have typed. So you have to click on this green button, which is the typeset button, and wait for a while. Ta-da! So this is the output. As you can see, the changes have taken effect. Let me open the page where I can find the template that I'm going to use, because I belong to this university. So, yep, this is it. Now, for the students of this university, this would also help you out if you're new to LaTeX. Scroll down and download the thesis.tar.gz file and extract it to a folder. This is the main file, and what you need to do is extract. I extracted it in the same location, so you can see all the files right here. At first, you have to open the text file titled Thesis. This is how it looks like. By default, the name is different as I've already edited it, so it's my name that you can see to the right. Alright, so what you have to do is you have to run the compiler as soon as you open it. It will take some time, and right after that you can start editing your thesis. You can open the thesis info text file and edit as you like. Let me show you how you can do it. It's really very easy though. To the right, thesis subtitle is right here. Let's modify this part. To the left now. Can you see it? I hope you're able to see it. Just a random expression I'm typing. Okay, so What we're gonna do next is compile it. Okay. Now, as you can see, the changes are not taking place yet. For that, again, you need to open the tech file, thesis tech file, and run the compiler once again. But it takes some time. Ah, there it is. Thesis subtitle is right here, isn't it? So, isn't it really easy? Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you'll be able to write your thesis now, and do let me know if you like this video by clicking the subscribe button and also pressing the bell icon. Thank you very much.